Hey everybody, in this Appsumo AI week review and tutorial, I want to go over with you some of the best products that I think that you might enjoy on Appsumo.com. If you are unaware, Appsumo.com right now is having their AI week lineup, and this will give you discounts on software tools, SaaS products, and all sorts of things to help your small business. So what I wanted to do in this particular video is to give you a rundown of these particular options of certain products, and I just wanted to give you my take on this particular AI week lineup. Okay, now the first product that I want to acknowledge for you guys here is, of course, ViralSky. I've already gone over ViralSky. ViralSky is one of these products, and I'm just going to open this in a new tab. ViralSky is one of these products that's going to help you to make social media posts, and they're going to make it easier for you. Now, I've done a review on this channel already for ViralSky, but I'm going to recommend that you guys pick this up because I think this is a really good deal. Now, if you go and watch my review, you'll find that on their highest level or tier of this, tier number 3, I noticed over on the website, it didn't give you all of the future updates for that 199. I didn't see that. So what's included is the scheduler, the thread image and comment templates, multi-platform support, threads, news, images, etc. But you don't see the future updates. If you want to get the future updates of this particular program for ViralSky, it's going to probably run you about $149 one-time lifetime deal. But if you get it now with the other link that I provided, and I'll link to that link as well down below, you're going to be able to get all of that. And right now you only have about 44 hours left in that as well. So ViralSky is something that is, I would most certainly tell you that you want to pick up. Now, the other product that I'm going to mention here, it depends on what you actually need for your business. Because here's my take on this. When it comes to looking for products and looking for software programs, it's going to depend upon what your needs are in your business. And one of the things that I always try to tell my students over on the videogeeksquad.com channel is to make sure that whatever product you use, that you try or you purchase, that you try and use that product within 90 days. You don't want to purchase a product and just have it sitting on the shelf. Now, if you do understand that you're going to use that particular product later, of course you can purchase it, but you have to keep in mind you get a 60-day money back guarantee. So you don't want to unpack something later and then find out that it's not going to benefit you. And so that's the thing that I would tell you. The second product I'm going to recommend for you guys here is a product called RainFog. Now, this is supposed to be an alternative to Adobe Photoshop and Canva. Now, what this is going to do, it's going to take your ideas and bring your ideas to life so that you can have better graphics and so forth. Okay, so you're going to be able, it says you get a native canvas with no prompt generation. Okay, so it's going to help you to be able to create better graphics. Okay, so that's the whole idea here. It says to create campaign visuals, reusable brand assets without having to write prompts. All right, so you just mix of your products, your character styles, etc., and this is going to give you an alternative to that. Now, you have 3 tiers on this. You've got a license tier 1 at $59. That's going to get you 6 projects and 25 products. License tier 2 is going to one for $139 is 25 projects and 100 products. Or you've got a license tier 3 at $289. That's all unlimited. So once you get to the unlimited section, so if you need something, maybe you have a subscription to Canva and you're having to pay for that monthly and you're looking for something to get rid of Canva, then what you may want to do is purchase this, go through it and see will it meet your needs. And if it will meet your needs, then you can go ahead and remove your subscription. Because I want to tell you, one of the things that I have been doing over in my personal life and in my business life is eliminating stuff that I don't need to continue to pay for. And one of the reasons why I got rid of so many programs, if I'm paying for it on a monthly basis, but it's not really solving a problem, I'm just getting rid of it. Okay. And so that's just been my take on all of that stuff. All right. Now I want to give you guys another product, and I do believe that you guys might want to take a look at this as well. This is SkillPlate. It's going to help you to build your business. The point of this is to replace Kajabi, GoHighLevel, and some of these other things, right? It's going to help you be able to do everything that a lot of those other programs do. So it's like bringing in a community, coaching, courses, all in one particular platform. So if you're going to be teaching something or you're interested in teaching people something, this will house your community and everything all in one place, and you'll be able to bring all of that stuff in here and make it very, very easy for yourself to run your business using this, okay? And so I definitely recommend looking into this. Now, let's go down here really quick. License tier 1, you get one business, but you get 5,000 contacts. Number of active users, 1,000. 15,000 minutes of streaming per month. Hours of video storage, 15. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys, just on me knowing business and video and having to work with a lot of video. When I see stuff like this, minutes for streaming per month, listen, as your business increases and grows, you're going to need as much of this as you possibly can. And what I don't like about this either is the hours of video storage. You're only going to get 75 hours. Trust me, if you're a video maker and you're building a community, you're definitely going to need more than this. Now, you can get some additional credits and stuff like this, it says, for 20 bucks. So you got the academy. So everything comes with this. The only difference is you can have some additional add-ons. You can get a 0 commission free for life. So when you sell a certain product on there, you don't have to pay a commission to this particular company, or a percentage of your commission on there. You've got unlimited AI use. You have all of that you can add on that. And I don't see the situation where it says bring your own key. Here, let me see something. I don't see that. Okay, so it's going to give you 12 themes there. So I would be interested to know what is the percentage or the commission percentage. Did I see it here? There it is. So the commission fee is 10% of your sales. If you start with tier 1, 30%, it's going to give you 9% or 8% or 7%. So I'm going to tell you flat off the bat, if you're going to build a community and build a business, you're going to want to start with tier number 3 or tier number 4. Okay. And my recommendation, if you're going to put and house all of your community and everything that you need, you're going to start with the 349. So that way you can get what it is that you need out of it. Okay. That's just my recommendation for that, because you don't want to waste your time with that. Skill plate is definitely something that I would recommend, because especially if you're going to teach something online, because everything's going to be housed in one place. So you're not going to have to keep going from one platform to another platform. Everything is all encompassed in your program. Now, if you're going to be doing any sort of book writing and stuff like that, AI Write Book is another option that you can take a look at. But they have a couple of really good products here. Just make sure that you take a look at it. Now, one of the things that I'll tell you, what we're doing over here is we are really hunkering down on our search engine optimization and getting that more functional for our business. And one of the things that we've been able to notice is you want to make sure that you're being discovered in all of the AI models like Perplexity, ChatGPT, Claude, and all of those things. So this actually, NewTonic is probably, SEO is probably something that you may want to look into as well. But I'm going to be talking to you guys in the next day or so about a product that I'm using, probably tomorrow. And so just make sure that you guys take a look at the AI week lineup. You definitely, I think, if you're going to do Facebook, LinkedIn, and all that social media marketing, and you want to, have some stuff written for you that can go out and find you some viral content, you'll definitely want to look at ViralSky, because it's pretty good. I enjoy ViralSky, and you guys might really like that, okay? So it's a good product. Now, so definitely take a look at that. Now, if you guys have any other questions regarding this, make sure that you leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you picked up during AI week and what you've been using and what's working really well for you, and start the conversation down below so that way we can kind of talk about it, because I do read and respond to all of your comments, and I'm going to be making future videos in the future. So I definitely want you guys to become a part of the community. So make sure you hit the like button. And if you have not seen my latest review, make sure that you watch the video that's coming up next, because that'll give you what's the latest video that I just covered that'll help you grow your business, grow your brand, and make more money as an affiliate and as somebody who is actually building a business. So this will help you in the long run, and so I recommend that you do that. So make sure that you guys give this video a thumbs up and watch this very next video.